Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create this using expression. So you can see when the red ball coming near to the blue ball, its size is increasing. So this is what we are going to create and using the expression. So let's see how to approach this. So first right click and create a new fusion composition. Let's give the name tutorial ball, drag it here. Now, some common mistake done by the beginners that they extend the timeline from like this. Never do that. Always extend from here. Okay, what's the issue if I extend here? Let me show you. If I click on here and go to the timeline, notice my timeline starts from negative, and this is not a good thing if you come from industry standards. So press Ctrl Z. Make sure that your timeline always start from 0. Notice it is now on 0. So this is the correct approach. Now, first thing I have to do is I have to create two walls. So let's see how I can make it. So I will add a background node, then a circle ellipse node, and select this background, press shift space, type transform, click on merge this and this. Now click on the background node, change the color as per your requirement. I like the red one. So click OK, click on transforms, click on the ellipse and click on here, front equal to. So I'm taking its width. Now if I decrease the width, notice the size is decreasing. Good. First part is create. Select the ellipse, type ball 1. So this is the first ball. Select this, press Ctrl C to copy, press Ctrl V to paste. Select this ball, press F2, type ball 2 and connect this. Click on the background. This time I will change its color to, let's say, blue color. Click OK. On transform, I will move it here. Now a question comes to mind. So what I will do to do the animation thing. For example, if I move it forward, I want its size increase. So let's see. So click on the transforms, right click, click on expression, uh, right click, sorry, uh, so basically what I want, uh, connect to with expression. Now notice that modify is activated. So this is basically what I want. So in numbers, type the value 1. Okay, now go to the tools and select this transform, click on here to pin it. Now go to the this transform. So basically what I want that when this wall move forwards, this will increase. So how can I approach it? That is the important thing. So which transform I'm doing? Okay, this one moves and this one. Okay, remove the expression from here first and remove expression. Remove expression. So basically I want to add expression here. Modify with expression. First create the modifier tab. After that in width equal to space and here also equal to, and this will connect to the width. Now watch carefully how to write the script. So I will type double I if what, if the position of x, notice it automatically takes from where I want transform 1 but position. If position of x is greater than 0, then what I have to do? Then uh, let's see my script. Then expression 1. Okay. Then I will go here, type 1. Don't worry, I will tell you what is everything. So go to the modifiers. But not modifiers number 1. cut it. If and position x greater than 0, comma, I already copied that expression 1 dot n1, okay, plus this one star 3, comma, control V, bracket close. Now notice that my expression is still red. It means it is not correct. There is some issues. So let's see what's the issue. So I will press Control A, copy, and I will open my notepad. Press Control V. Let's see where is the issue. Transform position X, expression 1, node N1, close. If transform 1, position 1, okay, 1 to transform 1, 3. Okay, looks good to me. Is there any comma dot? No, nothing like that. Let's see if okay, double I have tried the double I, not IFF, double I. Now notice red color is gone. Now if I try to move it, its size is increasing. Now if you want to increase the size more, just change this multiplier, that is this 3. You can change this value, let's say 5. So if I increase it, you can see. So let's try to understand what this expression say. So I'm saying, hey, if my red ball value moves greater than x, okay, if my red ball value move greater than x, then expression n1. What is the value of expression n1? It is 1. Okay, so 1 uh, 1 plus how much I move multiply by 3. For example, I move 0.159 into 3. So this much will be the width of my circle. Just in case if my expression is not true, it means if the value of x is less than 0 or equal to 0, then its scale will become expression dot n1, and its value is what, 1. So I hope you guys understand what is going on here. So it's quite simple tutorial, nothing high-fi or fancy, but I hope you learned something basics. If you have any kind of doubt inquiries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.